everybody, and welcome to this very quick video. I wanted to share with you that over on my website, that's where we are right here, you're seeing my website. If you go to card making and you go down to tutorials and then you click on these tutorials right here, all of these tutorials are about to go away. I am going to remove them from my website and free up some space. And so I have put them all on sale. So I have some class tutorials that I did. You can see like some of these are mini classes or quick and cute card classes that I did. Some of them are a mega class. So you can see that Christmas one there was a mega class. It was one of my favorite classes that I did. There's a Halloween one right here. So all of these are at least 50% off. Some of them are a little bit more than 50% off. So I have the class tutorials right there. You get the PDF, you get any videos that were related to that class. You just do not get any physical product. It's just the tutorial part. I also have these Simply Sweet stamper tutorials. I used to be a part of a tutorial bundle, and that one that says $9.99, I have updated it and it is on sale as well. So all of my tutorials are on sale. The Simply Sweet stampers tutorials, you get, I think it is 10 or 12 different projects based on a certain suite of product. So like that very bottom one was from the In Colors, and so there are I think 10 to 12 different projects that you get using that product. There was the flower one, there's a fall one here, there is the Valentine's one. So all of those are 50% off. You just click on it, you add it to your cart, and then you will get the tutorial. There are no videos for the Simply Sweet stampers tutorial, but there is a full PDF that has measurements and photos and then all of the instructions as well as the products that were used. And so those are on sale. And then there's past paper parties, which this is a fantastic deal. This is, I have the fall one and a summer one, and this has tons and tons of content, videos, projects, walkthroughs, all of it. There's so much content for the past paper parties. And so those are on sale as well. So if you would like to purchase any of these before they go away, they'll be up on my site for about a week, and then I'm going to clear them off and I need some space on my website on the back end of things. And so they're just listed under card making, and then there will be a menu that drops down, and then there are tutorials listed, and you can purchase those. And then if you have any issues, you can always reach out to me via email. I will make sure that you get the PDF, the tutorial, and any videos that go along with it.
Thank you so much for hanging out with
me
today.
I just thought I would share this in case anybody is interested in those. They're all 50% off. Like I said, some of them are more than 50% off. The paper parties are amazing to pick up at this price. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'll be back tomorrow with a normal crafty video for you.